Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your operating system and ensuring you have admin access. This avoids permission roadblocks. Once that's set, close distraction apps to see changes more clearly. On Windows, go to Settings System Display. On Mac OS, open System Settings Displays. You're taking the first actionable step now. Locate the scale or text size options. This matters because scaling changes how the OS renders text and UI, not just the app font settings. Keep focused and proceed to the next slide. Now you adjust scaling and text size so fonts increase system-wide. On Windows, choose 125% or 150% from scale. Click Advanced Scaling Settings for a custom percent if needed. On Mac OS, use Default for display options or the text size slider when available. Once done, apply changes and sign out or restart if the OS asks. This forces apps to redraw with new metrics. Make sure to test in a browser, a document, and system menus so you confirm readability across different renderers. Finish by addressing per app cases and clarity. If an app still looks small, use its zoom controls, Control or CMD++/- for instant fixes. Once done, improve crispness with Windows Clear Type Tuning or Mac OS Font Smoothing. These change how sub-pixel rendering sharpens letters. If text appears blurry after scaling, make sure to update or reinstall display drivers and try a different scale percent. Reverting temporarily often confirms whether the scaling caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.